Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see that the foundation of any relationship is trust. We all are aware. Maybe a mother and a child, father and a child, brother and a sister, two friends, or if you are in relation or with your life partner, I feel that trust is the basic foundation which makes your relationship to grow. But today we are going to see the types of trust in relationship. Basically, there are four types of trust which makes our relationship without any complexities. First is competence, that is, the person has the right skills to solve your issues. They are an expert or authority in their area, so we trust their opinion and recommendations. Second is care. They care about your well being and what is best for you, but not for your success, but for your well being. As they have your best interest at heart, they believe in you. Third is character. Person with a strong moral compass and uncompromising values. So they have a very good reputation, strong opinions, and they are down to earth. They are very trustworthy. Fourth is consistency. They may not be top experts, have the highest character, they care most deeply for you. They have been with you through highs and lows, ebbs and tides. So, in short, reliable, present, and available whenever you need them. See, so easy it is, the four types of trust. If you keep it in mind, first, we do not expect more than that from them. If we know these things, because trust is fruit of relationship in which you know that you are loved. Thank you very much, friends. Have a good day.